1 by 13 FF rifles, later 7 FF in the Kashmir War of 1948. This battalion was introduced in Kashmir War when 10 Brigade of Brigadier H.I. Ahmed, Haji Iftikhar Ahmed, was replaced by Brigadier Akbar Khan, Pareech Khel, DSOs, 101 Brigade in mid-May 1948. 1 by 13 FF rifles replaced 4 by 16 Punjab, later 17 Punjab, at Chakoti on 9th May 1948. The initial position of the battalion before the Indian summer offensive was launched was from Sultan Dhaki north of River Jhelum to Kalgai in the south and extending in depth till Chakoti, a total 10 miles. As you can see, this is 1 by 13 FF rifles Cook's position before commencement of Indian summer offensive May 1948. As you can see, the western flank at Chakoti, eastern flank at Kalgai, and the depth at Sultan Dhaki, south of Chota Qazi Nag. This is the battalion's position. When the Indian 2 Brigade summer offensive began, 1 by 13 FF rifles took the impregnable position as illustrated in the map below. As you can see, the left flank on the Jhelum River and the right flank on the range south of Jhelum River. This was the position which this battalion took, which was impossible to overturn or penetrate. All Indian attempts to break through this position failed, and 1 by 13 FF rifles held its ground, supported ably by 2 guns of the 1st Mountain Regiment and a troop of 4 4.2 inch mortars, as well as machine guns of a company strength of 1 by 15 Punjab Regiment medium machine gun. During the 4 by 10 Baluch attack on Pandu, 1 by 13 FF rifles was tasked to attack Sugna and Arusa as a part of the diversionary attacks not to allow the Indians to reinforce its positions at Pandu. As you can see, 1 by 13 FF rifles Cox was tasked to attack Sugna and Arusa to fix Indian reserves at the time of 4 by 10 Baluch attack on Pandu. As you can see, Delta Company 4 by 10 Baluch, led by the indomitable Major Abdul Hafiz Afridi, and Charlie Company of 17 by 10 Baluch, the real 19 Baluch, which sadly became the SSG. They are attacking Pandu from the south, and 1 by 13 FF rifles is attacking Urusa and Sugna to divert the Indian attention. This is the plan which was executed. The battalion performed outstandingly and held its ground till ceasefire on 31st December 1948. It suffered a total of 22 fatal casualties in the entire 6.5 month period that it was deployed on active service in Kashmir. This brave battalion was replaced by the 1 by 1 Punjab in the last week of September 1948. The battalion was redeployed in the same 101 Brigade area at Kathai Nala, north of River Jhelum, which was a far more peaceful location than the hell it had occupied for most of the Kashmir war. In the next podcast, we will deal with the 8th FF Regiment in the Kashmir War of 1948.